The following is the process of placing and wiring the feeding machine. Firstly, we need to place the feeder close to the printer body. First, go to the bottom of the feeding machine and observe whether the universal wheel is in contact with the ground. If not, we need to rotate the food cup counterclockwise to lower the height. The other three corners are the same. Please reserve a distance of 20 centimeters. Next, we need to remove the cover plate of the feeding machine. Now find the hexagonal wrench set in the accessories. Find the appropriate size and remove the screws that secure the baffle. There are two fixing screws in total, located on the two holes of the baffle. After removing the screws, pull out the baffle outward. Next, find this set of wires on the printer. Seeing the labels A and B, they correspond to the interfaces in the feeding machine, respectively. Now find the opening on the feeder. Thread the wire through. Now find the two sets of cables at the top of the feeding machine. There are also corresponding A and B labels here. We can connect the lines with the same labels together. Note that there is another line that needs to be connected as well, at this position of the feeding machine. The interface is located in the middle of the printer cable group. Align the slot connection and tighten the reinforcement knob. Then reinstall the baffle back. Pay attention to aligning with the slot below, as shown in the video. Push the baffle upwards and install the screws. Next, push the connecting wire into the opening of the feeding machine. Push the connection between the feeding machine and the printer body. Next, we need to go to the connection point of the printer. Ensure that the end of the feeder is 5 mm higher than the printer body. We can see that the height of the feeder is 10 high, and we need to increase the height of the printer. Now we have found the food cup of the printer. Rotate clockwise, the food cup sinks, and the height of the printer rises. Now we will adjust all four food cups and ensure that the machine is level, as shown in the figure. Ensure that the end of the feeder is 5 mm higher than the printer body.